Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold on the current watch face, the home screen. My bad. So we can press and hold on the current watch face to open the watch face menu. And now we can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen, find the watch face that you would like to use, and once you find it, tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also customize some of the watch faces. So if you open the watch face menu, some of the watch faces have the settings icon under them. You can tap on the settings icon and this allows you to change the, for example, background, and on this watch face it's about all. So basically this watch face allows us to only change the background, and then we can press the side button to apply it. But let's see the other watch face, maybe this one. This one also allows us to change the background, and that's also about all. So I believe maybe only background is changeable. I don't know, that's weird, because on the different watches you can also change the, for example, widgets and stuff like that, but this one allows us only to change the background. Okay, and then we can press the side button to go back to watch face. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application to change the watch faces. So we can move this to the side, bring the phone that is paired with our watch, okay, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Honor Health application, tap on device icon, select our Honor Watch, Honor Watch, scroll down, find the watch face market, tap on more to open the market, and here we have the watch face store, so we can download additional watch faces, but we are interested in changing watch face. To do it, tap on me and it will open the list of watch faces already on your watch, and we can basically tap on one, tap on apply, and it's gonna be applied on your watch like this. And once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.